Mastering non-defining relative clauses. The where of the matter. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson on our journey towards mastering the English language. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, non-defining relative clauses. Specifically, we're going to focus on how to form these clauses using the word where when referring to places. But that's not all. We will also touch on the essential punctuation rules that you need to keep in mind. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the use of where, let's quickly revisit what non-defining relative clauses are. These are types of relative clauses that provide additional information about a noun or a noun phrase. It's important to remember that this additional information is not essential for understanding the sentence. A non-defining relative clause often starts with a relative pronoun like who, which, that, and of course, where. Today, we will focus on where. Example: New York, where I lived for 5 years, is an exciting city. Here, where I lived for 5 years, is the non-defining relative clause, providing extra information about New York. The word where is used to refer to places in non-defining relative clauses. It can refer to cities, countries, rooms, houses, or any location. Example: my local library, where I often study, has a great selection of books. In this sentence, where I often study, gives additional information about my local library. Now, here comes the crucial part: punctuation. Non-defining relative clauses need to be separated from the rest of the sentence by commas. Remember: 1. Place a comma before the non-defining relative clause. 2. Place a comma after the non-defining relative clause if it is in the middle of the sentence. Examples: France, where I went on vacation, is known for its cuisine. The park, where I go jogging, is just 5 minutes away. Please note that we do not use commas if the non-defining relative clause is at the end of the sentence. Example: I just came back from Spain where I attended a language course. And that's a wrap for today's lesson, folks. We've covered a lot of ground, exploring non-defining relative clauses with where and the all-important punctuation rules that accompany them. With these tools in your language arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a grammar pro. Remember, the best way to solidify these concepts is by practice. So, why not try creating a few sentences of your own using what we've learned today? Stay curious, and keep exploring the beauty of the English language. See you in the next lesson.